Hey guys, I'm Biqtch Puddiń. I'm winner of Boulet Brothers Dragula Season 2, and today we're gonna do my iconic alien waitress look. First up, we gotta block out them brows. Blocking you out. Use a glue stick, get her out of here. Now we're gonna prime the face, so get that paint ready, slap it on. Now we're gonna get out a lovely green foundation and we're gonna apply it all over the face. And now we're gonna highlight the face in white. Now we're gonna blend that up and we're gonna all set it with some translucent neutral powder. Now we're gonna apply some eyeshadow and we're gonna blend it out. It's really important to get a really dirty smoky in there. She's a waitress, she's been on the clock. We're gonna cut the crease now with this gel liner. And now we're gonna use Biqtch to bring out that highlight we used earlier. It's gonna go over really nice and bring everything out and intergalactic. Now we're gonna apply our lashes on the top and the bottom, and we're gonna do some mascara to blend our regular lashes with these fake ones. Now we're gonna apply a highlighter on our cheekbones to bring them out to another planet. And now we're gonna apply a red lipstick. And then go over it with Slayfire Cosmetics' Rosebud and get that glitter lip fantasy zhuzh in there. Order up! This alien is done. She's serving you food. Hi y'all, what are we celebrating tonight? Oh wow, our third trip around Mercury? You don't say. You must have built up quite the appetite. Well, I'll be right back with some intergalactic pancakes for you, okay? Bye now. Ooh, thank you for watching my alien waitress transformation look. And also make sure you subscribe for more transformations.